The Aston Martin Rapide S is a luxury car with a powerful 6.0-liter V12 engine producing 552 brake horsepower. Despite its impressive speed, reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, it struggles with ride comfort and interior space. The Rapide S boasts precise steering and a thrilling engine, but its driving experience is marred by an unsettled ride and muted exhaust note. The 8-speed automatic gearbox is less smooth at low speeds, and its large dimensions hinder agility. Inside, the Rapide S offers standard sport seats and electric front seat adjustments. However, the interior feels cramped, especially in the rear, with limited headroom and a narrow opening for the boot. The infotainment system feels outdated despite Apple CarPlay. The Rapide S is priced higher than an Audi S8 Plus and Porsche Panamera, but less than a Bentley Flying Spur. Running costs are high, with low fuel efficiency and expensive maintenance. It includes luxury features like leather seats and parking sensors. While the Aston Martin Rapide S offers exhilarating performance, it falls short in comfort and practicality compared to rivals. Its high cost and limited interior space make it less appealing for those seeking a luxurious and spacious driving experience.